Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn about satellite frequency bands. Communication satellites operates in the microwave frequency spectrum. In the UHF range, many military satellites are operated from 200 to 400 MHz. The microwave spectrum is divided into number of frequency bands for the purpose of allocation to satellite communication as well as other communication services such as radar. There are number of satellite frequency bands, namely L band, S band, C band, X band, Ku band, K band, and Ka band. L band is from 1 to 2 GHz, S band occupies from 2 to 4 GHz, C band is from 4 to 8 GHz, X band is from 8 to 12.5 GHz, Ku band is from 12.5 to 18 GHz, K band 18 to 26.5 GHz, and Ka band from 26.5 to 46 GHz. There are a number of applications of various satellite frequency bands. L band is most widely used for mobile satellite service MSS. S band is used for MSS, NASA and space research applications. C band is used for fixed satellite services. X band is used for FSS military, terrestrial earth exploration, meteorological satellites, as well as sometimes the laboratory purposes. K band is used for FSS, broadcast satellite service, BSS. K band is used for BSS and FSS. Ka band is used for FSS services. C band downlink starting from 3700 to 4200 MHz and uplink is from 5925 to 6425 MHz. Ku band uplink is from 14 to 14.5 GHz and its downlink is from 11.7 to 12.2 GHz. Ka band downlink is from 17.7 to 21.2 GHz and its uplink is from 27.5 to 31 GHz. The most commonly used satellite frequency bands are C, Ku and Ka. C and Ku bands are used for fixed satellite services such as data, voice as well as video. Nowadays we are using Ka band for video and other data services. The frequency and power output of a satellite signal determine the size of the earth station. As the frequency increases, the wavelength decreases. As wavelength decreases, small size antennas are enough for transmission as well as reception. C band, it was introduced in 1970, occupies 4 to 6 GHz frequency band. C band channels are typically 36 MHz bandwidth. Lower cost for megahertz when compared to other frequency bands. They are shared with the terrestrial microwave communication. They are used for national, domestic, regional and even sometimes global coverage. Characterized by higher availability links that are less susceptible to rain fade. Large antennas are required when compared to other frequency bands. Next, Ku band. It was introduced in 1980. Occupies 12 to 14 GHz frequency spectrum. Ku band is exclusively dedicated for satellite communication purposes and therefore there is no frequency coordination is required with terrestrial communication system. Ku band transponders are typically 27 MHz, provides domestic and international coverage. Small earth stations are enough to carry high volumes of data and therefore lower cost. Limited affected by rain causing a lower link availability when compared to C band. L band, it was introduced in 1990. It is a shared band, limited spectrum, results in high cost per bandwidth, provides domestic and international coverage. In L band, small earth stations are required. It enables mobile communication applications, no effect by rain, but signal blockage due to natural and man-made obstacles. Ka band was introduced in 2004. Part of the band is dedicated to satellite band only and therefore there is no frequency coordination required with terrestrial communication system. permits frequency reuse through spot beams, lower cost of bandwidth is required, provides a domestic and especially international coverage, utilize very small earth stations, consumer and enterprises are the target marketers, affected by rain to a greater degree than Ku band, rate adaptation technique requires to mitigate rain effects. The most important part of the satellite communications is the satellite transponder. It is a part of satellite that receives signal from the earth station and retransmits signal back to the other earth station. Ku-band satellites and C-band satellites have 32 transponders and 24 transponders respectively. A single transponder is capable of handling a large amount of information, which typically corresponds to double the bandwidth in million bits of information per second, typically 72 megabits per second and 54 megabits per second for C-band and Ku-band transponders respectively.